Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Infographics are vital in daily teaching, offering a visually engaging way to present information and enhance student comprehension. Today I am going to introduce a platform named Infographics as a free AI-based tool that further elevates the impact of infographics in education, providing educators with a user-friendly platform to create compelling visuals material effortlessly. This platform is called Infographics, powered by Quark Express. Don't worry, I will share the link in the description. So you can see a very beautiful interface of this platform, and you can create timeline, list, process, cycle, hierarchy, mind map and SWOT analysis. And it is AI powered, so it is very easy to generate these all things. So let's quickly explore. For example, if you want to create a timeline, number one method is simply you can just type it here or copy paste from anywhere to create a timeline, and it will generate a timeline by itself. Similarly, you can go for list and you can create some list required. Similarly, you can try for a process, or if you want to create a cycle or hierarchy, mind map and SWOT. The important point is this, that you can use AI to create automatically infographics as per your requirement. So let's try to create. For example, I would like to create a mind map. So I'm going to write here, create a mind map about kinetic and potential energy. So I'm giving a very simple instructions. So you need to click generate. Remember, there is a limitation of using AI per day, so you can use 10 in one day. So I'm going to generate one mind map. So here we go. So you can see here a mind map about kinetic and potential energy has been created. It can be modified if something is missing or you want to add something. You can simply add here. So you can try, it's very simple. Just select AI, give instructions and it will create for you. You can also customize in terms of aspect ratio. You can use your theme, font sizes, pattern filled, and you can add title. So you can save it simply or download in different formats. The formats available are JPEG, PDF, PNG and SVG. So please try and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.